Okay, we're just gonna go for it and hope this works. In my makeshift garage here. Oh. This is gonna be so much fun. Yes, sir. Oh my God, that was unbelievably easy. Unbelievably easy. What's wrong? It went well. These bump stops are torn to shit. Okay, now for the fun part. We're gonna pump it up. Be sure to lubricate the tip before sliding it in. This reminds me of those Nike shoes from the 80s. Getting the pressure right is going to be the challenging part. Okay. That's really not much pressure, so hopefully we'll see how that goes and hope it doesn't explode. Oh, goodness. All right, you want to see this? Check this out. Ain't that cool? Come on, Lewis, focus the camera, honey. Hang on here. Hang on. There you go. How's that? So when that bump stop compresses on that, it'll hit that and hopefully kind of add a little bit of extra support, prevent it from sagging. And yeah, I got to tow a trailer with this, so hopefully that's going to be the solution.